right here. Let me get behind you. I'm gonna help you.
Can you see it?
You don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready. Just put it up here. Put it up here. I'm gonna help you hold it. This arm, this one goes underneath the
Does it hurt
forearm.
your shoulder though?
Yeah. See that when it's kind of tight up against your shoulder, and you put your cheek right here, your cheek up against the gun like that, and you close this left eye. You see your thumb? You see this bead right here?
Mm-hmm.
With your right eye, close this eye. Put that bead on that water bottle. I bet you
I'm
hit.
scared, I'm scared.
Well, don't be scared. We're not shooting yet. We're just getting comfortable. Okay? So, you want to give it a shot? I'll do it with you. You betcha. Okay. Tell me, you don't pull the trigger until you're aiming at put the bead on that thing. Can you see it? Bead on it?
Can you shoot it for me?
No, you pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Don't be scared.
Squeeze it.
Oh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Well, I'm holding the gun, so it's not gonna kick you. Okay, ready? Are you aiming at?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. We're doing it together. Squeeze it.
Go, 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 go.
No, I'm scared.
Livy, it's not gonna hurt you. He has control of the gun.
Ready?
I'm just scared of the ringing noise.
No, it's not gonna hurt your ears. It didn't hurt mine. It's not gonna hurt yours.
Pull the trigger.
Go.
Pull the trigger. I bet we hit.
You got this. You're strong, girl. Get it.
Come on.
We're gonna be so proud of you. Do it.
Right.
Woohoo! You did it!